Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show how to scan from an HP Officejet 250 printer scanner to email via direct Wi-Fi connection using the HP Smart app on an Android phone. I'm going to start by first turning on the printer, by first lifting the lid and then holding down the power button until the white light stays lit. Next, I'm going to open up the scanning tray by pulling this tab forward and sliding this out to get a better way to hold the paper. Next, I'm going to put in the document to be scanned. This is what we're scanning today. To insert it into the scanner, you turn it face down and the top of the document goes in first. Now when I insert it, notice what happens in the display. When it's properly inserted, you'll see an orange bar that stays there that says document loaded. It should stay there for about 3 seconds. If it flashes on and off real quick, that means you did not load the document correctly. Next, I'm going to come in and I need to turn the Wi-Fi on to connect to my printer. To do that, I'm going to go into Settings on my phone. Sometimes on some phones Wi-Fi is in this display. To find Wi-Fi on this phone I have to hit Connections and then I tap on Wi-Fi. I'm going to slide Wi-Fi on. It's going to display a list of available Wi-Fi connections. You'll want to select the direct 6E HP Officejet 250. If it's not selected, tap on it in the available networks list. If you don't see this in the list, this means you don't have Wi-Fi enabled on your scanner printer. Next, I'm going to launch the HP Smart app. This is available from the Play Store. Notice at the top, you'll see that there is a picture of a printer with a green check mark. This means that your printer is now correctly connected to the Smart app. This display also shows the ink levels, which is also nice. I'm going to scroll the display down and find Scan to Email. I'm going to click Scan to Email, and then I'm going to tap on the Scan button. At this point, the scanner will scan your document, and the display indicates that it's scanning. Once the scanning is complete, the HP Smart app will show you the document, and if the document has been loaded wrong, it'll look wrong here. If it looks wrong here, repeat the scan, putting the paper in correctly. At the bottom, you're going to see a couple of settings. The blue PDF, if that's gray, tap on it to make it blue. And then next to the PDF, there's some text there that says that's the default file name or scan name. I'm going to change this by first tapping on it. I'm going to tap at the end of the text, and then using the standard keyboard, I'm going to backspace over it, and I'm going to put a name that I like better. Doesn't matter what name you use here, anything that's meaningful to you is okay. And whatever, doesn't matter. So I'm going to say done. Now I have my name and I have PDF. I'm now going to click on the blue send button. Now you're in Gmail. You'll see that the attachment that you just scanned is in there. Now simply do the email like you would normally do it. So I'm just going to go ahead, send this to myself. And just whatever for the subject, whatever you want for the body text. And do the standard send button from Gmail. Now, at this point, because the printer is connected via Wi-Fi to your phone, this email is not going to get sent. And let me demonstrate that. I'm going to go into Gmail, and you're going to see at the top, it's either going to pop up or there's going to be a display that's going to say 1 unsent in outbox. This will stay unsent in your outbox until you turn off the Wi-Fi connection to your printer. Let's do that by going into settings once again to Wi-Fi and simply turn the Wi-Fi off. Okay, now I'm going to return to Gmail, and you'll see that that message about the unsent in the outbox is now gone. It may take up to a minute for this to send, but you can verify that it was sent by clicking on this thing here and finding the sent, and you can see 1021, 1020. That's how you scan a document with your HP ScanJet Officejet 250.